Okay, here what we're going to do is try to use Desmos to practice the opposite skill. Now, what was the opposite skill? The opposite skill is if someone actually shows me a point on the circle, we should be able to relatively quickly give a decent answer. It doesn't have to be that close. We're only going to be using this skill to constantly check our answers, but it can't be really, it can't take us a really long time to do this. So what I'm going to do is take this point on the circle, and I'll give you the link to this page, right? Just drag it to a spot and say, what do I think the t-value would be? And then we're going to try to use Desmos to check, right? Now I know that halfway through the circle is up about here, right? That's about 0.8. 0.4 is about here. I'm thinking it's about 0.6. If I open this little arrow over to the left, 0.54 is what it was. That's reasonably close. I'm now going to close it again, and we're just going to drag to a different part of the circle. How about if we go to about here, about there? These ones in the middle can be a little bit harder. I know if I go all the way to the top, it's about 1.6. I know if I go all the way over to here, it's about 2.4, right? I think this is about in the middle, maybe a little bit closer to the top. I'm going to say about 1.9. If I open this up, 1.96, hey, we're pretty close. I think that's good. Let's drag it to a different part of the circle. How about, oh, here. Now, what do I know? I know the top is 1.6. I know the middle is 2.4. This is about 3.1, right? Let's see, this is about 2.4. I think this would be about 2.8. I'm thinking about 2.9. Yeah, let's say 2.9. Let's just see what it says. If I'm not close, hey, that's not bad. 2.87. All right, we're all right. Let's do this again. I'm just going to drag it to a different part of the circle. How about right here, right on that button, right? Now I know this is about negative 3.1. I know the bottom is 4.7. I know the dead center is 3.9. That would make over here about 3.5, 3.9. Let's say 3.7. It might not be that close, but it was fast. 3.7 is good. Yes. Okay, we're going to go to the bottom of the circle now, just to see, sort of close to the bottom. How about there? Yeah, that's it. Right? And I know the very bottom is 4.7. I know the middle is 3.9. This would be about 4.3. I'm thinking 4.4 or 4.5. I'll say 4.4. I'll probably regret it. No, 4.4 is good. Happy about that. Let's start going into the fourth quadrant just to practice. Let's go about, let's see here. How about here? I'm just practicing. I know the bottom is 4.7. Oh, don't do that. I know the up here is 6.3. I know the middle is 5.5. 5.5. I'm thinking, let's see, 5.1. Let's say 5. I don't know. We'll see, right? The answer is about 5. Yeah, we're good, right? Now let's just get a little closer. How about just a little past midway? How about let's go there. What the heck, right? Let's see here. Now what did I say? All the way around the circle, 6.3. Down to the bottom is 4.7. The very dead center on the diagonal is 5.5. And this would be about 5.9. Let's say 5.7 to see what's going on. Yeah, that's close. You get the idea, right? You can make a very good guess at the radian measure just by understanding the circle and the distances and where the landmark points are. We don't have to have great estimates. We do have to have something that geology calls rough and dirty, right? So fairly quick or really quick, but decent, right? We're just going to be using to check the answers. If we can't do this, we don't understand what's going on, we're just following procedures, and then we can't build on the concepts. It's very important to be able to do this and to practice it.